Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will show you the most interesting manufacturing processes that are at next level. So let's get started. It is an automatic vertical machine with one filling tool and two drills for the production of all kind of brooms and brushes. It makes versatility its main strength, being able to produce parallel, radial, and radial parallel tufted brushes. The high degree of flexibility of filling and the availability of a variety of equipment allow the production of a wide range of items, which include flat brushes, cylinder brushes, discs, and tank brushes. Hepta is an economical, high-speed tufting machine for the production of toothbrushes. The most important component of cigarettes is tobacco. Tobacco is initially grown in outdoor frames called seedbeds. Tobacco plants are harvested by stalk cutting. The leaves are gathered and brought to a curing balm as they ripen. Leaves are carefully dried in a specially constructed barn by air curing. Leaves are then moistened and stripped to avoid breaking or cracking. The next step in tobacco manufacturing is sorting and auctioning. The product then passes through conditioning, aging, and blending. After blending, tobacco leaves are pressed into cakes and mechanically shredded. Machine rolls shredded tobacco into paper and cut it to the desired length. The final stage of cigarette manufacturing is packaging. This company has been producing 2.3 billion pencils a year and being in the business for over 257 years. Faber-Castell has a sound know-how of how quality pencils are made. Take a look at how these pencils are manufactured. First step includes mixing of mounds of graphite and clay in giant machines. Second step involves pressing the lead. After the leads are pressed, They are left to dry. The dried leads are then fired in a furnace. Next, these fired leads are wax bathed. After applying wax, color is applied to the leads. After coloring, the next step is milling the grooves, which also includes applying the glue. The colored leads are then inserted in the wooden grooves. Slats are then closed, and this is called sandwich formation. All these slats are then moved onto a drawing wheel. Paint is then mixed to apply it to the slats. Pencils are then stamped and dipped in the paint. These pencils are then moved to the drawing room. The next step is sharpening the pencils. All these pencils are then inspected if there is any fault in any pencil. Finally moved towards the packaging line and packed. It begins with soft rubber that has been pulverized between the two rollers to give the material a firmer and less rubber-like quality. Here rubber plugs are produced. These plugs form half shells that make up the interior of the ball. After being coated with adhesive, two half shells are bonded together using intense heat and pressure, process called vulcanizing. Rubber surface of sphere is next sanded to create a rough surface and a layer of adhesive. Is applied as the ball tumbles through a spinning drum of glue. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.